and show your work. Keep it what so you can do that. I will yes, smile, smile. Yeah. See miracles in life every day. है ना? S for see, M for miracle, I for Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up with a buddy wali smile if you all can hear me. Yes, Hannah, we always start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. And do you know the full form of smile? I today, like I got the message from someone, and in that beautiful meaning of smile was given. And if I will find that, I will yes, smile, smile. Yeah. See miracles in life every day. है ना? S for see, M for miracle, I for in, L for life, every day, and this complete spelling is smile. Okay? So smile will bring miracle every day in your life. Okay? This is the full form. So you can see three different sizes of circle today. Today we are going to learn eat healthy. This is a beautiful poster and is going to help you for making chart papers. And like many times you are supposed to paint a chart or on in poster making, like this is a beautiful eat healthy, keep healthy, or healthy lifestyle. This kind of topics it is going to cover up. So, chalo, without delay, we will start the work. I can see so many new faces today in my class. I'm very happy this RGO family is increasing day by day. I want to welcome all my children, those who are attending class for the first time and those who are continuously our students. So I want to welcome you all. And today we will start with the work. Eat healthy, keep healthy. So here the very first thing you will decide how to use your paper. So here it is very clear. I kept my paper vertically. It is not sleeping. It is vertically. So come on, quickly turn your file and keep it vertically. Right now you're getting full view so that you can understand. So turn your file. Now take your pencil and mark your center. Come on, mark your center. And then we need our first circle. And I will give you the diameter. You will take any circle and keep your 8 fingers. If your 8 fingers are coming, it means it is perfect. And if 8 fingers, so your diameter should be 8 fingers. So your first circle should be of this kind. It can be anything. And you will make it here. And here you are going to, this is my center, almost in center, leaving equal space here and here. You will draw a circle. Okay. Last class, we covered up Lord Shiva's drawing because it was highly demanded artwork in pre-junior batch. Like many of them was having this in competition. Many of them was having this as part of activity and draw the face of Lord Shiva. It was highly demanded. And so that's why on very high demand of parents, we covered a drawing of Lord Shiva last class. Okay, but normal in routine, our classes are not like, we try to keep it more very much simple, which you will be able to see today. है ना? So this is going to be your circle and how much big? 8 fingers. Can you see? 8 fingers. है ना? So see, the selection of perfect circle is very important. If you will take small tiny circle, your whole drawing on a paper will look very small and there will be lots of blank space left all around and it will make your drawing it will not look good. And you can see I always keep different kinds of circles ready with me. So you should always keep some circles ready every time, every class. Okay? Come on, do this. I'll take a pause because many of you are trying to find out this circle, but I will suggest you to keep some discarded like disposable caps and some rings available every time so that you will not have to rush last moment for finding out the perfect size of circle.
मैं आपको बताऊं टीचर और अभी लास्ट डेट कब है? के अंदर इसको डाल देता हूँ।
Now, can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show your work? Perfect circle. Very good. Now I'm going to take a bigger one. And what is the diameter? The diameter is 1, 2, and 3 times. Like 3 times. 4, 4, 8, and 4, 12. 12 fingers. It can be 10 or 11 also. So this much big circle we need now. Can you see? Comparatively, it is so big. Hai na? So what I will do now, I will this is going to be this is a circle, come down and here and like here you will be keeping it half this side and you want to make a basket actually, hai na? So you will make half circle, come on, and you will keep this much space. Okay, very little space. You will keep this much space for making. If you want to make it little more bigger and very close to face, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it this much. Okay, so this is a complete circle. This is a half circle. Okay, and now we will add some fruits. So in this artwork, you are going to add some fruits and some vegetables also we will add. And yes, today's artwork is having a beautiful story behind. Our every artwork is having a lovely story, even today's artwork. So today's artwork is about a boy, and the name of this boy in our story is Hari. And so Hari in our story is a wonderful boy and very good at studies, very good at singing, very good at swimming and sports, and a very obedient child. But one thing was about Hari, which I will tell you about. See, so this way is a circle and a semi, and don't make it very far, very little space. And a very little space you will leave. You will not make this circle very far, half circle. Can I check this? Will you please lift up files and show the work? So you will make, yes, this is the basket. I took a big plate or something and little space we will leave. Not too far, okay? Yes, so see, this was a jeera khakra. है ना, in Jeera Khakra play, like I was having this circle, so I kept it so that whenever needed, I can use it. See, है ना, in this box, and this is the biggest. In this paper was kept. So see, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many different circles. I always keep them ready. Okay, every time. Now after this, I want to check the work one more time. Will you please lift up files and show the work? Everyone. Wow, this is looking so perfect. Now, what you are able to understand, and now we are able to understand that you will start with basic structure, and I never start like this is going to be the face of or Hari, and Hari's sister name in our story is Hina. Okay, so this is Hina. We will make girl. We can even make boy also. Okay, so we will make a girl. Okay, now you will mark 1 and 1, 2 points. Come on. 2 points. Now, here you can see before making any line, I'm deciding that from where my lines will start, and you will connect. Connect. You will, so here with help of this drawing, I want to make you understand that you will always start with basic structure. And here I decided, okay, this is the going to be face of Hina. This is body and this is a basket she is holding. Hannah? And here you can write eat healthy, keep healthy. You can make a stripe. Hannah, whatever space you have left, here you can write eat healthy. Okay? So this way it is going to be a poster making. Done. Can I check this? And see, when I ask you to lift up your files and show your work, please do that, because in end of class, you are going to get clappings from me. Yes. And this will help me understanding that how many clappings you win, you earn from me. Okay. So when I ask you to show your work, please show. And it will help me understand also that, okay, my children are getting everything I'm teaching them. And yes, I can see thumb down. It means few children want me to wait for them. ठीक है, I will wait and I will start my story. So this is story of Hina and Hari. And as I told you, they were very good at studies and everything. So Hina was very much particular about eating habits. She was always ready to have salad, seasonal fruit. When mama was making dahi ki lassi or chaach or milk, so she was not making faces. But at the same time, Hari was very choosy. Mama, what is this? Boring milk. No, give me canned juice. Juice which is packed in can. Like mama used to say that, beta, seasonal fruit you should have every day because it contains fiber. Now while telling you this story, I will explain you everything in detail. That what is fiber, what is the work of fruits and vegetables and healthy diet you are eating. So this story is going to give you very big lesson as well. Okay, after doing this, you will mark a point here and you will make V. And these are 2 points. Okay? You will make a V. And now we will start with our fruit basket. Eat healthy. And here Hina is telling Hari, eat healthy, keep. If you really want that your eyes should not have thick specs, your eyesight should be sharp. And without good habits, if your eyes will not get nutrient, then how will they be able to show good results? If you want bright, shiny skin, if you want shiny hair, if you want to run good health, and if you want very sharp brain, intelligent brain, attentive brain, then you will have to switch on to healthy habits. And if you will not take good food, then you won't be able to run good health. And because you all organs, like in games, we need power, we need points, same inside. So I will continue my story. Can I check this much one more time? Please lift up files and show me. Shabash. So what I did, I draw a big circle, I draw a big half circle, and I can see bananas in hands of Sauravi. Yes, banana contain so many nutrients. Yes, so seasonal fruit. And always, whatever is coming in that season, because Mother Nature hide things which your body need in all these fruits and vegetables. Can you imagine Mother Nature is growing exactly kind of fruits and vegetables which your body need to remain healthy and away from diseases your body can fight. Can you imagine even this time when you're attending class, you are surrounded with bacteria and viruses, but still you're healthy. How? Because soldiers in your body are fighting with them. But from where the soldiers in your body will get power, this is going to be the part of our story. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will show ears like this point now. Ears. C. And now we will come here, or let's make a choti also. So what I will do, yeah, like this is ear. I will make, either we can make this kind of choti, or we can make a cloud shape. From ear you can start and you can make cloud shape. And here also you will start and you will mark a point below ear, one on ear, one below ear, and you will make this kind of cloud shape. Try to keep both cloud shapes equal. And now I want to show like curly hair. So this choti is looking like cloud and this is henna. So I will return back to my story. So what happened? Like Hari was very choosy. In tiffin, like always wanted to have Maggie or pizza or noodles. But Hina was very particular. They both were in same class as in our story. They are twins. Okay. They were in same class, same date of birth, and same age. Everything was same. And as they belonged to same home, so even the food which they were having was same. But because the habits of both of them were different, so what happened? This you will listen now. Can I check? Please lift up files and show the work. Shabash. So our very first fruit is going to be pineapple. Acha, tell me how many of you love sweet, juicy, crunchy pineapple? We all love to have. So chalo, let's learn how to make pineapple. So see, this is last point. And see, this is the center. है ना? This is the center of your basket. And this is last point. So what you will do, this is center now. See very carefully, see. This is the first point, this is last point, and this is center. Come on, divide the top line of your basket in 3 parts. Take a point in center. 1 point in beginning, 1 point in end. Now very carefully try to see. This is center now. Come slightly here, little here, and draw 1 line. Little here. Come on. And you will draw 1 line here. 1 and 1 line here. As you all know, pineapple is not a small fruit like apple or orange. Hai na? It's little bigger. So we are going to keep the size bigger. So this is 1, 1, 11. Now what you will do, this 1, 1, 11, this is the last point. And I want to keep it little bigger. So here I will make a line. Come on. You will make a line here. Now what you can do, like this point, this point, this point, and do one thing, you erase all the lines inside. So what will happen? You will not get confused. Okay? Take eraser and erase all the lines which are coming in this particular portion. Because now you are going to connect this, all points. Okay? So all these lines, when you will erase, you will find actually blank space to work. So I erase this line because now you're going to write a big U. But making a big U could be difficult for you. So what we did, we simply break it down in 3 steps. Okay? We draw a 1 this side, we draw a 1 this side, we decided the height. And after this, what you will do? This point and this point, you will connect with curved line. This point and this point, you will connect with curved line. In your science or SST, you would be definitely having 5 fruits, 5 vegetables. So here we are going to learn round-based fruits. Okay. So one, we will learn this pineapple. So this is a big U shape. And we divide it in 3 parts. And see how much big it is? See, it is reaching almost near center. Don't make it small, tiny. No. That's why we decided this. And near this you will take, and I want to check it. Each and every line which is coming in this U shape, you will erase. Come on, erase and show me the work. Yes. This is going to be the way of making pineapple. Okay. Great. It's a big U shape downwards, facing downwards, upside down. Okay. Great. Shabash. Very good. Very good. Now this point and this point. Very carefully see what you will write. You will start writing V. So first you make a curved line this side, curved line this side. One curved line going this side, one going this side. And now what you will do? You will start writing V, letter V, upside down. You will see this complete drawing is going to be combination of letters and numbers. And in the artworks we are selecting, they are highly demanded artworks for competitions or for some other purposes. So we always try to cover this kind of artwork in our regular class so that if other children also need this kind of work, they can use it. Now from this point, you will start writing V, 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 V and connect. Come on, make V. And you can even make V this side. If you don't want to make curve, you can even make a V this ways. And you can make a V also this ways. If you don't want to make a curved line, okay? And you will erase all the lines from V. First, do this and then I will tell you which line you will. Why we are erasing all the lines of face? Because this pineapple is in front. And I suppose this is my hand and if I will keep this box, so where this box is, you won't be able to see that part of hand. So same way as this, suppose I will on in face in front, I will keep this. So that particular lines you are not able to see. That's why we erase it. Take eraser and erase the line of face and ears from leaves also. And your pineapple will be ready. Now quickly we will add some detailing. And this is the way of making pineapple. And I will try to teach few fruits also. And so that if this is in your syllabus, you can even draw. A fruit basket also you can draw. Okay, so what happened? And when Mama was telling, so I was forcing, I will not finish my tiffin. And just thinking that my child will remain hungry. So Mama was helpless. Even after returning back, when Mama was giving seasonal fruits, so Hina was eating, knowing that this fruit is going to help and support my health. But Hari always used to make face. While eating also, dal, I don't like this dal. I will not ghee ki sabji. I will not eat tore ki sabji. What kaddu you cook, karela you cook, this kind of faces. And always like wanted to have curd and chapati. So when you eat one thing only, so you are deprived of other nutrient. And same thing started happening with Hari. Okay. Now what you will do? You will start making diagonal one. One, one, one. Okay. Come on, make lines. You will make one. One. Now we are learning pineapple actually. Okay. Yes. And if you have this topic in competition or collage making or in activity, keep healthy, or eat healthy, you can try this drawing and believe me, it is going to be a winning entry. Now you're going to make diagonal lines. Diagonal lines. You will not go for very small and no, keep it quite big. Big checks you will make. Okay. Yeah. And see, we give recording of every class to every child with lifetime validity so that you can practice n number of time. Okay. Yeah. So you will do this ways. Done. Yeah. So I will return back to my story. My third shape is going to be this. What is the diameter? 4 fingers. And now your circle is going to be 4 fingers. So it was 8 fingers, it was 12 fingers, and it is 4 fingers. So now we will make apple, we will make orange, 2 apples and orange. And if you want to add radish and all, you can. Otherwise, some orange and oranges and some apples we will make. I think 1 apple and 1 orange will come. We want to keep the artwork very simple today. Okay. So see, you will take this much big and half little part of it you will draw. And here also till end of the paper. Till end of the paper, you can make one more circle. Right now, I'm making full circles so that you can understand which part you will erase. Can you see it is looking like 8? Little part is going in basket and it is covering up the lines of body also. Okay, so it is going to be orange and apple. And although we can add so many fruits, but we will keep this very simple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away because apple is very helpful, increasing the number of good bacteria in your tummy. It's a great source of vitamin C and iron. And so all fruits like Mother Nature hide all supportive nutrient which will keep your body healthy always. Hide it in all vegetables and fruits according to season. And that's why fruits grow season wise. Because in that particular season, your body need that particular nutrient. But what we have started doing, we have started disrespecting this very great efforts and love of Mother Nature. We refuse to have seasonal fruits and vegetables. We always want to have junk food. We want to have burger, pizza, and this kind of things which are having zero nutrient. And what it gives? Obesity. That is motapa. Okay. Take eraser now. Take eraser. And erase. Come on, erase this like this circle. And this circle, you will erase this line. And lower line. First, you will erase lower line. Come on, erase lower line. Erase lower line first. The first, you're going to erase lower line. And then, what you will do? You will erase this line of body. And here, this, you will erase everything. The fruits are in front. So see, this is complete. Now nicely try to understand. This is a C and this is a half C behind. This is a C and half C behind. We could have made it directly also, but when you use circle, you are able to understand the little part of this fruit is inside. And this basket is filled with fruits. We want to show this ways. Normally, when children want to make fruit basket, because the purpose behind covering up fruit basket is this only, that fruit basket is again a common topic kids are having, and even this was demanded. Okay. So I will draw simply circles because today we are going to learn circle based drawings. Okay. Yes. Now the first apple is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But before this, like this is a square now. This is a square. So take the top point and make a line 1. Now this is a square. Take the top point, draw a 1. This is a square. Take the top point 1, top point 1. This is the way you will add 1 in topmost part. Just to make it looking wonderful. In every checks, every square, the top, the point which is on the top, you will draw 1. Okay, this is the way you will make your pineapple. Now we are going to make apple and orange. Okay, 2 round shaped fruits we will keep. We are going to keep them very simple. And yes, and here we will be writing eat healthy, keep healthy. We will make a line. And here, if you want to write any other slogan or other thing, you can write it. Okay. Eat healthy. Okay, this or any other slogan and a body, because this body is a great gift of God. And if you're not taking good care, see as I told you that this time when you're taking class around you, which the air is there, in air every time bacteria and viruses are there. They are attacking you continuously, but body's immunity system is fighting with them. And your body's strength which you eat, which comes from whatever you eat, is fighting with them and defeating. And the moment your body is not powerful enough to fight with them, what happens? You fall sick. You start running fever. But every time, every single moment, we have bacteria and diseases around. Okay. Now, come on, let's make apple. To take 1 and 2 points. Let's make apple. 2 points, and you will simply draw a V. V with a curved line. Draw V. And now let's learn how to draw this. Okay. V. You will take eraser. Come on, pick up your eraser and erase this line. Upper line on V, you will erase. And see, your apple is ready. You will simply draw a line this ways. If you want to make many more apples, you can make. I will not make. I will simply make orange and apple. And the very simple ways, you will simply draw a circle and draw V, and your apple is ready. Now for orange. Okay, let's complete orange. For making orange, very simple it is. A C, flat C, and make some dots. Orange is ready. Okay. So now your fruit basket is ready. We will quickly complete face. Hina, this is face of Hina. So now one day what happened when they were playing during interval time, suddenly Hari faint down and fall. है ना like बेहोशी आ गई उसको तो parent teachers immediately called parents and parents took them to doctor and doctor told that he's suffering from severe stomach infection है ना तो he asked what he took today तो doctor said Maggie like today he took Maggie so they told him why are you giving junk food this packed food processed food these wafers which come in packets they are just like poison and I think you wrap the food also in foil wrap, है ना? Doctor asked. So Mama replied, yes. है ना? Garam paratha and everything I wrap in foil wrap. So doctor told, don't you know? Foil wrap is made of aluminum. And when you wrap your warm or lukewarm thing in it absorbs aluminum. Aluminum is poison for your child. Till interval time, when you wrap your food in aluminum foil paper, it turned to slow poison. Your child is having slow poison. So, Mama, for the first time, like she was not knowing even this. Okay, now eyes. So, you are going to make happy eyes. See, see. Come on, make happy eyes and eyebrows. Tiny nose. And a tiny nose. When you eat happy, healthy, you keep healthy. See. Okay, now we will quickly make hands. है ना? Because we want to show Hina is holding this basket. So we will quickly complete hands. And making hands, I'm going to teach you the simplest method of showing, holding it. Okay? Can I check this much? And I want to check the work, how it turn up. See, we learn how to draw apple. We learn how to draw orange. And we learn how to make pineapple. Definitely, I will cover up vegetables and other fruits also very soon. Okay, very good. Lovely. Okay, now you will make hands. For making hands, make a line here, one. Make one here, make one here, and these are 2 points. These are 2 points. Okay? Yeah. Now we are making hands because she is holding this basket and telling you can even write on basket also eat healthy, keep healthy. You can write on basket also. Okay? If you don't have space, then on basket you can write eat healthy. So now what you will do, this two lines we have now, mark a point outside the basket, outside the basket. And what you will do, very carefully try to see what you will do. You will start writing D. You will start from here, you will cover up and D. Can you see this is letter D, D for determination. So D also we simply started with 1, then C, and this is D. Okay? I will take eraser. And you are going to see this complete artwork is going to be the combination of letters and numbers. Okay? Yes. Now, yes, after writing D, take eraser. Come on, take your eraser and erase the lines which are coming in D. Erase the lines of basket. And we need to erase unwanted lines. In our class, right from pre-junior batch, you are learning and everything. Very soon, we are going to get started with one more pre-junior batch, which is for more smaller kids. And it is going to be completely based on absolute basics. Okay? So see, you're going to make one, 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 and these are the, this is the line, this is the point. you will show diagonal. We will connect it diagonal. Come on, connect it diagonal. Connect it diagonal. Okay, this is going to be the hand. Okay. And if you want here, like say this point we have, this point connect a diagonal line. है ना? Like this line is body, line of body, you will show this. Okay, so this is your complete artwork. Here you can write eat healthy. है ना? You can write eat healthy. Okay, so our drawing part is over. I want to check it and then we will start with second step, that is outline. And outline, the second step is of great help to you. I'll take a pause of 1 minute so that you all can finish this much, and then we will switch on to outlines. And for this, you can either take bold marker pen or you can take your regular black sketch pen. Anything you can take. As we don't have much detailing, so you can even take bold marker pen. Anything you can take. Will you please lift up files and show the work? And for drawing part, golden, diamond, and platinum clappings. है ना? Out of these, how many you are going to earn? Let me check this. Shabash. This is so lovely and beautiful work. Very good. Lovely. Very nice. Okay. Now the second step. The first step, that is making drawing with pencil, is over. Now my second step is giving outlines. So you can take your bold marker pen or sketch pen and you will start moving it on each and every line. Okay, now this second step is of great help to you. And because when you move your sketch pen on lines, your focus is on extreme. It's amazing focus enhancing activity. Now, if you draw some drawing and move your sketch pen on regular basis, you will observe a great shift of improvement in your your focus. And that's why initially, like those who give outlines for the first time, their lines are a little shaky. But when within 1 or 2 classes, lines are very stable. This is due to improvement in focus and stability in hands. Okay, so I will complete pineapple, then apple, very carefully. It is this particular step is very helpful, improving your focus, your command over drawing, and it improves your handwriting also. Very good for handwriting improvement. Okay, so the second step is of great help. And in drawing, when you give bold outlines, neat outlines, it will add a very neat and refined look to your artwork. And see, using very simple drawing, we completed our drawing on eat healthy, keep healthy. See, like we erase the part of face which is coming in this and rest everything like we covered. I will return back to my story. So now what happened? Hari was at home and on basket, like fruits were kept in room in a basket. Mama was keeping fruits in basket so that whenever kids are feeling hungry while doing studies, or like they feel like to eat something, so they can have fruits. So that's why fruits were always kept in room of it. And Hari was going through very difficult time and I was in pain and was not able to eat anything and was very weak by this time. Okay, so here you can write eat healthy. So see, this is our second step, that is giving outline, is also done. Okay, I'll take a pause so that you all can finish, although outline is something which you can give even after the class. So now this fruit basket was looking at Hari. And one day when Hari was quiet and doctors were coming, injections and that then drips were given and so many things were happening, medicine, and Hari was not able to talk, was not able to open eyes even. And this fruit basket was always like whenever this fruit basket was finding Hari alone. So apple, and they used to say, Hari, come on, pick up one apple and have us. And we will support your immunity and we will heal you. But as Hari disliked all this kind of healthy food, so Hari was not able to. So one day, when Hari was literally simply lying on bed. So that apple and pineapple and oranges were kept in basket. They started talking to Hari. Hari, my dear, we can't see you in this miserable condition. See, nature has gifted you such lovely things, amazing fruits and vegetables. Why don't you have it? And your body need it. So what happened in body? And Hari asked. So the fruit basket done, everyone. Can I check this? Will you please lift up files and show the work? Okay, little more time kids need. I will wait for little more time. Okay. Then we will switch on to colors. And for coloring it, I will prefer using my brush pen. And a red for making apple. And for colors, like when you all are doing work, let me explain you about what color medium. And so we don't use pencil colors, output is very dull. We don't use wax crayon, output is very sticky and uneven. We don't use oil pastel as they are very oily and this just mess up the work. Best color medium is plastic crayons, which I strongly recommend for pre-junior and junior batches. Okay, done now. Show your work. Everyone. Yes, very good, very nice. And now, what you will do, you will take eraser. Now, third step, let's revise. First step is drawing with pencil. Second step is outline. You will take your eraser and you will see if you can see some unwanted lines of pencil. And if you can see some lines, although we erase it at once, you will clean your work and now your drawing is ready to color. So now first, two fruits I'm going to color and these are going to be red apple, orange, orange. Okay. Now how to use it? Now you all are having brush pens. Open it carefully and without pressurizing, start moving from a corner. And you can do one thing. You can go for outlines first. And then start your coloring from a corner. Don't pressurize your color too much. And move it in one direction this way. You will find beautiful and neat coloring. With brush pen, you will do this. Okay? So this juicy, crunchy, um, very sweet apple we will make using red color. Okay? And yeah, very important. After using, you will immediately put cap carefully. You will not simply push it inside. No, very carefully you will put cap. And don't keep your cap open. And otherwise the ink will get dry and it will be of no use. And same ways we are going to do orange. You will first give outlines and then always start your coloring from corner. Whether it is plastic crayon or orange, start your coloring from a corner and move in one direction and see your orange is also done. With brush pen now, with no efforts, you will find appealing output. See, orange is also ready. Okay, green, dark green or light green, any you can take. And now for orange, we are going to take yellow, brown, green. And it can be dark green or light green, any you can take. Okay, so I will prefer taking light green. And we will complete this. I'll take a pause so that you all can finish this much. Okay, yeah. So we will start with fruits and in face, we are going to do plastic crayons. So this ways you will learn both colors. Okay. So I will return back to my story. So this fruit basket told that you just close your eyes, Hari. We will take you to a visit inside body. And so Hari thought that what would be happening if I'm eating something delicious, then how it is, what ways body work? I was having no idea. And then Hari closed eyes. Hari was already very weak. And Hari entered inside. And when Hari entered inside, Hari was surprised to see that so many different factories were there. All organs were working like factories. And there were some soldiers, who were floating on blood and they were telling that now the diseases are going to come. We need to save Hari. Come on, collect all the energy we have. So Hari asked, who are they? So this basket replied, these are soldier cells. We have soldiers inside our body. He was surprised. And this fruit basket told, yes, we all are having soldiers inside our body. What they do? Hari asked out of curiosity. Now take yellow and fill yellow. Again, you will start from here. You can go for outline and you will fill yellow in this complete this. Okay, come on. Fill this ways. And this is the way you will complete your color. Come on, do this ways. Yellow. And here we are going to do something which will make your work looking great. Okay, yellow we will do first. And with brush pen now, work will happen quickly. This is the best part of this. And even basket, if you feel that you want to make your basket colorful pink or any other color, you can definitely try that. Blue, pink, or any pattern you want to keep, you can. And we are going to make leaves green. Green. Okay, so this is the way we are going to make this. So Hari was surprised, and all the soldiers were telling, give us energy, we want to fight with diseases because Hari is running poor health, so we need to fight and keep Hari healthy. Hari was not even knowing that inside so many things are working together. And each cell was working to collect energy to take oxygen from this place to this place. And then the message came that Hari is not eating healthy food. We don't have energy. And all those soldiers still they were fighting. And some soldier cells they were carrying oxygen from here to there. Their big machine that was hard, it was pumping blood. Then liver, it was working and purifying the food and everything. And grinding food, mixing juices and all. And he was surprised. Take brown. And what you will do, the half of it. You can simply cut it half. And half of it you can do brown. Okay, you can do brown with half of it. If you want to do it orange, you can. Okay. This is the way you will complete brown. Here also, each block, half part of block, you will keep brown. If your color is not working properly, you can even take help of brown color. So my brown brush pen is not working. So I will fill half part of the checks with brown color. This I'm teaching because in many of you are having pineapple in syllabus, just pineapple. So here the beautiful coloring will help you understanding it better. See, so this is the way you will complete half part of it with brown and half yellow, and it will look like a juicy, crunchy pineapple. Okay, kind of triangle shape, and your pineapple is ready. Now we will quickly complete face, and for this we will switch on to plastic crayons. And in plastic crayons, you will take out two colors, that is pink and skin color. Two colors we are going to use. Okay. We will learn how to hold color, how to move color, what thing we are supposed to do, what things you are not supposed to do. And a good coloring. Don't forget one thing, my dear children. Drawing and coloring is all about patience. And whatever you're doing, do with patience. Okay? Then can I check this fruit basket? Yes? Yeah, with brush pen, it will hardly take much time. And this lovely fruit basket is ready. Wow, it's looking so amazing. So wonderful. Okay, now what we will do, we will come on these two colors. Now plastic crayons. Come on, take plastic crayons. Okay, now you will take pink. Now how to hold your color? You will hold your color exactly the way you hold your pencil. जैसे आप लिखते वक्त अपनी पेंसिल को पकड़ते हैं ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही कलर को पकड़ना है. Now you will make two pink circles. Come on. I want to make this like, because she is eating good food, है ना? Fruits and everything. So that's why the skin is quite pink of Hina. So he was able to see that everything is working and they want energy. And as Hari is not eating good food, so they are having no energy, and that's why Hari is not able to get cure soon. So Hari realized, okay, I need to. And from where you will get it? From fruits. And to Hari, that moment only realized that God really made so many things inside. And what I'm doing, I'm not giving them energy. I'm not giving them nutrient. And because of this, I'm not running good health. And that time only Hari picked up one apple and have it. And that apple went and now take all skin color. Now see what mistakes students do. They start their coloring from center, then sleeping, then diagonal, then standing. This is not correct. Always start your coloring from a corner. It can be this corner with standing line. It can be this corner with sleeping line. So I will start from this corner. Start from here, standing lines. Now how will you move your color? You will move your colors with small, small strokes. And no big strokes, small, small strokes. And you will not pressurize your color. This is again a mistake students do. They put lots of pressure on their color. Don't do this. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't change direction of coloring. Okay. So what is formula of good coloring? Go for small strokes. Start your coloring from a corner. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Don't pressurize your color. Don't change direction. Try to reach to every corner. And this ways you will complete face. And you will see when you will color this ways, your drawing and coloring will look amazing. See, it will look great. Okay, so come on, do this. And this is the way you will complete face. Cover ear also, okay? We are going to cover face. है ना? So you will see when you will move your, when you go for big strokes, na, for two things happen. एक तो untidy lines appear, and secondly, you lose your command over colors. When you move your color with small strokes, you are having complete command on your color, and colors will not go out of outlines. You will see color will not go out of outlines. So these are benefits of moving color with small strokes. And when you don't pressurize, your output is very even. And can you see? Cover ear also. Try to reach to every corner. Every corner. Okay? Hands also. We are going to make it with skin color. Here. Hands. And dress we will keep sky blue. Hai na? Because we will use a color which is not there. So I think sky blue is a good color. I will put sky blue here. Here, whatever part near face is visible, you will do sky blue. Okay? So this is the way we completed fruits and face. Can you see when we started our coloring from a corner, we are not changing direction, we are moving our color in one direction. How it's looking? It's looking so beautiful and so even. Hai na? So this is the benefit of it. We will quickly complete here. All of you do this. I will take a pause of 2 minutes and then I will check the work and then we will move ahead. I will return back to my story. And although here, like in body, Hari was able to see that every part needed energy, was not able to work as there was no energy. And whenever needed, he was eating junk food, which is having zero energy and having lots of harmful things and a cholesterol and whatnot. So Hari was able to see this. And that moment only he picked up one apple and decided that so many things are together working. Body is working hard. God has designed our body in such a way that if we will eat healthy food, so no disease can enter. That immunity system. And you know what? Your body having a lab. So what they do, they immediately are able to understand that this particular virus or bacteria is going to harm this body. And they kill that bacteria that moment only but for that, you need power, energy. And from where you will get this energy? Food which your mom is cooking, fresh food. And all seasonal fruits, all seasonal vegetables. Switch on to good diet. Your body need it every single moment. A glass of milk, curd, and avoid using packed and canned food. And don't make faces like this dal I will not eat. I like only apple and mango. No. And a chiku is having different nutrients, and a watermelon is having different nutrients. Same with vegetables and grains. Develop the habit of eating everything Mother Nature has gifted you. Mother Nature is that kind that had hide everything your body need in all these things, but we simply disrespect. And besides this, you're so lucky that you have a plate in front of you. है ना? Take black. Start your black. I can see a medal in hands of Ridhika. Oh, congratulations, Ridhika. Please do share about your victory on WhatsApp. We will love to share with everyone. Congratulations and blessings. Okay, Ridhika, please do share about your victory. Take black. And first, you will start from here. Diagonal line. You will start moving diagonal. Come on. So here you will go again. The technique is same, small stroke, one direction. Repeat every stroke 4 times. No pressure on your color, no big strokes. Come on, do this. Hold your color the way you hold your pencil and you will color it black. And now then you will start this side. Okay. So this ways you will complete both the sides. But we are going to move our color in a very different way here. We will go for scribbling. Now this is again going to be a very different technique we would be learning. Make sure you will not pressurize. Repeat every stroke 4 times and you will not change direction. Okay. With patience, you will color this black. So now next day only, like he promised mama and papa, and mama papa always used to say that you are blessed with such wonderful health, but if you will not eat healthy, then you will lose this health. And this time, after facing such difficult situation, and Hari realized that yes, now I will never ever switch on to unhealthy habits. Started eating fruits, juices, and a seasonal fruit, homemade food. And I was telling about you're very lucky. Now scribble. Now all of you say, for making this part, we will scribble. Round, round. Now scribbling is again a great activity for pre-junior batch for improving their command over rhythmic and curved lines. It's very helpful improving your drawing skill and your handwriting. And although you must have observed for sure in your activity book, you would be having one activity of scribbling. So scribble it nicely, and these are going to be curly hair for making ponytail. Okay. So the moment this Hari started eating food, next day promised that Mama, I will never make face. And as the plate which you have, chapati, dal, rice and all, salad and all, this is so simple to say. I don't like this. I don't like this dal. I don't like ghiya ki sabji. They simply disrespect that food for making which one has really worked hard. Your mom or whoever is cooking food. And like so many things, like we have to go for kneading and then we roll chapatis, then we cook on fire, and we soak dals and rice, and then we cook, then we put tadka, we chop, we grind, what not. And what's one single word? You disrespect that food. And never. You are so lucky. Do you know there are many children of your age who have to work for 2 times meals and still they are not getting. They work till late night in hotels, they do shoe shine, they sell water pouches. So respect this food which you have. And before having your meal, close your eyes and pray to Almighty God. God, thank you so much for this wonderful food. Please bless this food. And then have your food and it will become prasadam. Okay. Now you are going to take a color for making this basket. I will prefer pink. So come on, let's take pink and start from here. Come on, start from this and I'm going to take pink. Go for standing lines. And if you feel that I want to make stripes, you can go for stripes also. Okay. So here you are absolutely free with your colors. Now here, if you feel that I want to make stripes with colors, you can. So I will simply make stripe kind of white and this I will keep and I will finish it. Acha, the letter which I'm writing, eat healthy, this you will write after the class, not now. Okay. So writing part with help of your mom, you will write after the class. So see, I'm going to do pink here. And okay, so now what happened after some time when Hari started eating healthy fruits and I stop eating junk food, stop eating packed food. So Wahid requested that fruit basket, can you take me again to have a visit inside my body? So fruit basket said, why not? Close your eyes. I will take to your visit. And this time when Hari entered the body, and all soldier cells, they were heavy. They were looking so strong. And before this, they were looking very weak. They were deprived of energy. Today, they were having lots of energy. All the organs, all factories were working properly. Everything was looking, seems to be happy inside the body. And this is not a story, my dear children. This is actually, there are so many organs in your body and they all need nutrients. And when you eat, when suppose they're fighting with disease, they say, hey, please give us some energy. And what you do, you pick up noodles or a wrapper of packed food. And what happen, you don't get that. And then you can simply add lines with brush pen, or you can simply fill it. And if you think that I want to fill it, so then let's fill this. So here I took this brown, purple, and this kind of stripes I want to make. And let's make our basket little stylish. So with striped pattern, it will look amazing. Okay. Although we could have made other patterns also. If you want to color it with rainbow colors, you could have. And I will simply add outlines with purple color. Okay. Yeah. You will make it little more thick. And this is the way you will complete it. You must be thinking drawing is over, but no, this background coloring is left, and lower side in a stripe, you are going to write eat healthy. Okay. So first let's spread some colors. So here we learn two techniques. First, holding your color like this and doing colors. Second is the scribbling technique. Third technique is going to be quite different. As we are talking about Mother Nature, I want to add this green color. Here in sleeves, blue color will go. I will take green. I will take beautiful yellow ochre color on the top. Okay. Now this time we are going to use a different technique for this. What we will do? We will keep a color horizontally. We will hold it tight. Can I check this much first? Will you please lift up files and show the work? Oh my God, it's so lovely. My dear children, today also you are going to get star clapping along with so many clappings. How many clappings you win in the end of class, I will tell you. Green, keep it this way, hold it tight, press it down and drag. And now this technique is very simple technique. With little practice, you will have command over. When you keep your color, you will not go in main artwork. You will simply move it on side. Okay. If you feel you want to make it like looking like a table, so you can fill some colors here too. If you feel you want to make it a table. So see, I will put little green, because we are talking about Mother Nature. And eat everything because all fruits and vegetables are having different nutrients. So if you will eat one only, the other nutrient your body will not get. Okay. So I will put green, and upper side I will put yellow ochre. If you want to use any other color, blue or any other, you can. So see, this is the way you will keep your color horizontal. Three techniques of using colors we learned today. And I see. So, and then when he went inside, body was looking happy, healthy. And when diseases was trying to attack bodies, soldiers were that strong that in one punch only they were driving them out. And Hari was very happy. And now Hari was very thankful. Now Hari was making no faces and started taking paratha, which was wrapped in paper or a cloth, soft cloth, not foil wrap. Kids, if you are also using foil wrap paper, please avoid it. It's extremely harmful. It is making your bones very, very weak. And your body, like your food is absorbing that aluminum and that is reaching to your body, which is slow poison. Okay. So many times we even don't know that what is happening, why we are doing. So if unknowingly like this is happening. Okay. So from today, to avoid using foil wrap. If you want to add some dots, and just to add more detailing. And last thing which you will do after the class with help of mom, That is, I will do and I will show is this. And you can find out a slogan or something. I will simply write eat healthy. HEALTHY. ठीक है, with help of mom you can write this. Eat healthy, keep healthy. Or you can write some other punch lines. You can find it out from Google or somewhere. And in poster making, you can write this. You will do after the class, not now. Okay. And this is your complete artwork. This is our final artwork, and I'm eagerly waiting to see so that I can reveal how many clappings you all win. Will you please lift up files and show the work? Wow, see, if you feel that one more stripe can come, and like try to see and balance it. Beautiful, so lovely. Great, amazing work. And now clappings are waiting for you. So come on, let's clap with me because these all clappings you earn, you win with your hard work. So the very first, golden, that is 3, diamond, that is 6, and platinum clappings for drawing part. You all did excellent work. Come on, 9 clappings. 1, 2, 3, golden clappings. 4, 5, 6, diamond clappings. 7, 8, 9, platinum clappings for drawing part. You wonderfully absorb the instructions. And now for coloring, 5 bonus clappings. So yes, you're right. Full 5 on 5 marks. 5 bonus clappings for coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and believe me, I was just trying to deduct your 1 star. Like, since long you are earning this, winning it, and that is star clapping, but I can't help it. You win star clapping also. Yay! Come on, let's go loud. And this star clapping is yours. Yay! Congratulations. You will win all the clappings with your devotion, with your hard work, with your efforts. And from today, all you will eat. Promise your mama, hold the hand of your mama and say, whatever you will cook, I will eat. Because now I know our body is fighting every time and it need energy. Okay? And if you like the story and like the class, show me your thumbs up with Buddy Wali smile. Please hold this artwork in your hand. Give a big smile. Tell your mama to share your click on WhatsApp. Okay? And this is all about. So, chalo, bye-bye. Take care. Lots of blessings. Take care. And do share on WhatsApp, okay, with your feedback.